Hello everyone! Our video for today is about custom cursor. So a custom cursor is a trendy and beautiful desktop featuring amazingly colorful cursors. So for this video, I want to show you how to download and install the custom cursor. This is the homepage of the custom cursor. And their website is customcursor.com. To download and install the custom cursor, I want to show you the two options. So you're gonna go here at the bottom. So there are options for Chrome and for Windows. So for Chrome, since I am using the Chrome browser, but you can use the other browser. So click for Chrome. So custom cursor for Chrome. So click add to Chrome. So a new window will pop up, then you will click this add extension. So it's downloading. So the installation was successful. After the installation on your browser, you can go up here, the extension. So you will click this. Then you can see the custom cursor for Chrome. So you can pin or you can go to more actions. The three dots, you will click it. And then you can go to manage extensions. So this is the custom cursor extension for Chrome. So you can manage and change some settings here on your custom cursor. To use the custom cursor installed on your browser, you will click the extension and then select custom cursor for Chrome. Then a new window will pop up, and this is the different collections of custom cursor. So you can choose cartoons, color, starter, holidays, and lifestyle, job, sports. Then to adjust the size, you will click cursor size. So you can adjust the size of the cursor. Then you can go to settings. So settings, so you can select here. For example, cartoons, you can click manage. Then you can see the list of the cartoons custom cursor. So you can delete some of the custom cursor. To use the custom cursor, you will choose here in the collections and then click. So for example, I will choose the starter. So I will just click and then it will change my mouse cursor. Then if you want to use the default of your cursor, you can click here on the top, this one. This is the default cursor. So it will go back on your default cursor. Next, to install custom for Windows, you will go back here on the bottom and then click this for Windows. Then a new window will pop up. So this is the custom cursor for Windows download. So you will click download. So the software is downloading. After the downloading of the software, you will locate the file and install it to your computer. I installed the custom cursor on my laptop, so this is the one I installed here. So this is the home page. This is my collections. Then if you will click the more cursor, so it will open a new browsers for custom cursor website. Then go back here. So upload cursors, you can click this. So if you have a file, cursor file download from other website, you can save it here. So just click this plus. For example, I have view here, so click and then open, and then you will click the save. So there's an instruction here. So the settings, this is the same with the website. To add more custom cursor on your browser extension and on your Windows application, you will go back to the website and then you will choose here. So for example, colorful drink. So there's an option you will add to your browser extension, or you will add it on your Windows application, or you can view the details. To add on your browser extension, click this add. So it will add here on your browser extension. Then to add on your Windows application, just click this. So it will open the application on your laptop. So it will directly save here on your laptop in your home page. So this is the one I added. So you can click apply to apply it on your mouse cursor. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, or click subscribe for more videos.